Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to next session of class pre-9th. Dear students, we have completed the first lesson of our book, The Saviour of Mankind. Now in this session we will discuss the exercises of this unit. Our exercises begins from comprehension. The question and answers we have already discussed in notes. Now we move forward to the second exercise, that is vocabulary. Here the first exercise is about to predict the meanings of the words from the text. We have to read the text context carefully. Write the contextual meanings of the following words. Contextual meanings, the meanings which are related to the text of our unit number 1. Then consult thesaurus to find out their synonyms. Now we move towards the words. The first word is dazzling. Dazzling means shining, glaring or blinding. The second word is imagination. Imagination means sochna, conception, thinking power. Remarkable, shandar, extraordinary, exceptional. Composed to write something. Wrote, versified, collected, saved. Preservation means protection and secured. Bestowed, conferred or awarded with. Message, intimation or communication. Superstition means false notion, unreasoning fear. Abandon, give up, leave. Now move to the second exercise of this unit. Match column A with column B to find the meanings of the words. Column A, column B. Charm, compose, civilization, faith, eradicate, eloquent, bestow with, demolish, proselytizing, everlasting, embodiment, chaos, verge, wonder, dignity. The first word is charm. The word which match to this word is attraction. In column B we have attraction. Compose means right. Civilization match to word culture. To culture. The next word is faith. Faith means belief. The next word is eradicate, eliminate. Next we have eloquent means fluent, bestow with, confer as, gift, demolish, destroy, proselytizing, preaching, everlasting, never ending, embodiment, living example, chaos, confusion, verge, edge, wonder means surprise, and the last word is dignity is surprise. Now move to page number 8. Here some of the words which you have to use in sentences of your own. Affixation is a process of word formation by adding a prefix or suffix to a root word. Prefix, the word which is added before a word, and the suffix is the word which is added after that word. So we see here some of the examples are given. Author, co-author. Here the prefix co is used. Necessary, unnecessary. Un is used. Moral, fair, unfair. Un is used. Moral, immoral. Tie, untie. Danger, endanger. N is used. Conscious, unconscious. Fortune, misfortune. Miss is used. Kind, kindness. Now kindness, ness is the suffix of the word. Careless, less is used. Postpone, meant is used. Adjust, meant. Treat, meant. Meaningful, full is used. Hardship, friendship, ship is used. Fondness, ness is used. Happiness, ness is used. Comfort and comfortable, able word is used. Add appropriate prefixes or suffixes to the following root words to make other words. One we use prefix or suffix. Here we use one means oneness. Again the word ness is used, which is suffix. Come to belief means disbelief. We use dis as prefix. Unparalleled we use un is used as prefix. Injustice, in is used as prefix. Flinching, unflinching, un is used as a prefix. Now knowledge, the new word is knowledgeable. Able is used as a suffix. Constructional or reconstruction, both prefix or suffix can be used. For if we use prefix, it is reconstruction, and if a suffix is used, it is constructional. Now move to the page number 9 of the lesson. Here is again another exercise. An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a pronoun. It describes or point out a person, place or a thing, or to tell the number of quantity. For example, a famous poet. A shows the quantity, famous shows or give the quality of a noun, that is poet. Choose the correct adjectives. Ashfaq Ahmed was a dash writer. What is the adjective here? Famed, famous, famously, infamous. The famous writer, the correct option is famous. This is a very blank seminar. Again, a gap is given. Information, informed, informative, informing. This is a very informative seminar. My mother becomes dash if I get home late. Anxiety, anxious, anxieties, anxiously. My mother becomes anxious if I get home late. It is dash to get the correct information from the university office. Options are given here: advisable, advisable, advising, advise. Here two options can be used: advisable or advised. Who is dash for this chaos? Responding, responsible, responsive, responded. Who is responsible for this chaos? Now move to the page number 10 of the lesson. Conditional type 1. Conditionals of this type tells us that something will happen if a certain condition is fulfilled. The condition may or may not be fulfilled. For the conditionals, conditional is such type of sentences in which a certain condition is given, and in the next half of the lesson the condition may or may not be fulfilled. It usually begins with a if, with a subordinating conjunction if, or the if can come in the middle of the sentence. So we see, first you have to learn the structure of this structure of the conditional type 1. This is, you can see the example: if they arrive late. Here this clause, it begins with if, so the conditional sentence is given: if they arrive late. Here the verb given is arrive. So you see that this is the present tense and they will miss the bus. This part of the sentence or this clause will show that it is future indefinite tense. So our first conditional sentence have two parts. The first one of them is present indefinite and the other is future indefinite. So complete the sentences using the given verbs. We have to make the conditionals. You can see, if I see Aslam, I will dash him to dinner tomorrow. If I will see Aslam, I will invite him to dinner tomorrow. You have to take the verbs from the words given above. If I dash out, I will turn off the TV. If I go out, you can see that in this sentence the second clause is forming the future indefinite tense. If you dash tricks on people, they will not trust you again. If you play tricks on people, they will not trust you again. You see that they will not trust you. This clause is future indefinite. If the farmer dash all his kiwi fruit in the market, he will be very pleased. If the farmer sells all his kiwi fruit, you see that the next part is of future indefinite. If the farmer sells, the farmer is third personal singular, so you have to add s or es with the verb. I will dash you with your homework if I can. I will help you with your homework if I can. I will dash you ride my bike if you like. I will allow you ride my bike if you like. Will you dash this basket to Auntie Sophie if you see her? Will you give this basket to Auntie Sophie if you see her? If we dash we will catch the bus. If we hurry, we will catch the bus. In this sentence you see that we will catch the bus. This is the sentence, this clause form future indefinite. Will you dash me if you are going to be late? Will you dash me? Will you inform me if you are going to be late? And the last sentence of this exercise is if he works hard. According to the subject verb agreement, he matches with the verbs. He is the third person singular, so we use S with the verb. If he works hard, he will dash the competition, he will win the competition. So I hope that you have understood this exercise of conditional sentences. The conditional sentences are formed with the help of subordinating conjunction if, and one of the clause forms present indefinite and the other one forms future indefinite. Now come to the exercise D of the lesson. Put the suitable verbs in the given blanks. I dash living in this house since 1970. I have been living in this house since 1970. This one is the correct. And move to the next page. This is the page 11 of our exercise, and the sentence is he dash here yesterday. Dash here yesterday. Yesterday shows that this is the past event. This is the recent past, so the verb given are has come, came, will come, and the right option is he came here yesterday. If you dash, I shall be available. This is the conditional. If you dash, I shall be available. Look at the sentence. The sentence is of conditional type 1. If you dash, I shall be available. If you, the options are will come, if you come. The first conditional, this part is present indefinite and the second part is future indefinite. If you come, I shall be available. He dash take the examination next year. He dash take the examination next year. Here the word next year shows something is going to happen. It shows the future tense, or the next year shows the future. Will have, will be, or shall. He will take the examination next year. He dash to us tomorrow. Tomorrow, again tomorrow shows the future, the future tense tomorrow, so we will complete it with the simple future indefinite tense. He will come to us tomorrow. Will come, the right option is will come to us tomorrow. This is the end of our lesson. I hope that you have understood all the exercises. Thank you.